Hello fellow minimalists, and welcome back to your favorite channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that beautifully combines two powerful lifestyles, mindful eating and minimalism. In this video, we'll explore how you can bring simplicity and intentionality to your kitchen, creating a space that not only nourishes your body but also aligns with minimalist principles. Let's get started. Let's begin in the heart of our homes, the kitchen. Minimalism teaches us to simplify, and the same principle applies to meal preparation. I'll share practical tips on streamlining your kitchen tools, embracing versatile ingredients, and creating efficient meal plans. By simplifying the cooking process, we not only save time but also make room for a more mindful dining experience. Tip 1. Plan your meals ahead of time to save effort and reduce waste. Planning meals ensures you have the right ingredients and helps cut down on last-minute decisions. For instance, you can plan a weekly menu to streamline grocery shopping and cooking routines. Tip 2. Embrace batch cooking and prep to free up time during busy days. Batch cooking allows you to prepare meals in advance, making weekdays less hectic. Spend some weekend hours preparing staple foods that can be used across multiple dishes. Tip 3. Adopt a capsule kitchen approach by selecting essential, multifunctional tools. A sturdy cast iron skillet, for instance, can be used for sautéing, roasting, and even baking. Now, let's focus on creating intentional eating areas. Minimalism encourages us to be intentional about our surroundings, and the dining area is no exception. I'll guide you through crafting intentional eating spaces that promote a calm and focused atmosphere. From decluttering your dining table to choosing minimalist tableware, these tips will elevate your dining experience to a mindful ritual. Example: choose simple, high-quality tableware that not only looks elegant but also minimizes visual clutter. A set of white porcelain plates and stainless steel utensils can create a clean and intentional aesthetic. Tip 1. Dedicate a specific spot for meals to encourage mindful eating. Designating an area for dining helps foster a mindful atmosphere. You can set a small table or clear a section of your dining space for this purpose. Tip 2. Practice mindful eating by engaging all your senses. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food, as well as your body's hunger signals. Take a moment to appreciate your meal before diving in, savoring each bite slowly. Lastly, let's discuss minimizing kitchen clutter. A clutter-free kitchen is a minimalist's haven. We'll explore practical strategies for reducing kitchen clutter, organizing your pantry with intention, and maintaining a minimalist fridge. By decluttering your kitchen space, you create room for a serene cooking environment and cultivate a deeper connection with your meals. Example: consider decluttering your kitchen of excess gadgets and utensils, only keeping those that serve a specific purpose. For instance, a high-quality chef's knife can replace a drawer full of specialized cutting tools. Tip 1. Organize your pantry using clear containers to see ingredients at a glance. This not only reduces clutter but also helps in planning meals efficiently. Tip 2. Declutter your kitchen by removing unused items. A clutter-free kitchen promotes a sense of calm and enhances efficiency. Sort through your cabinets and drawers, donating or discarding items you no longer need. Tip 3. Organize your kitchen storage to optimize space. Efficient storage solutions help keep your kitchen tidy and functional. Utilize drawer organizers, stackable containers, and shelves to create designated storage zones. Conclusion: as we wrap up our exploration of mindful eating within the minimalist kitchen, I encourage you to infuse these practices into your daily life. Minimalism is not just about the things we own, but extends to the experiences we create, especially when it comes to nourishing our bodies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on mindful living and minimalism. Until next time, stay intentional, stay mindful, and continue simplifying. Take care.